name is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole.
Hey yo, I been on, bitch you been con, Bentley tints on, Fendi prints on. I mean I been storm, X-Men been formed. He keep on dialing Nikki like the prince on. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nikki. I live in South Korea, and my makeup channel is not just makeup. It's skincare, it's beauty, it's Korea, it's randomness, it's tags, it's some of everything. However, today is Friday in Korea. It's not Friday in America yet. Every Friday I film a face chart video where I try to recreate a face chart that I was sent, tagged in, blah blah blah. Today's face chart, however, was chosen by one of my favorite students. She likes my makeup. She always says something about, she notices every little detail. But yesterday my makeup wasn't too crazy, but it was like, she said, very shiny. So today she chose another one for me. So I let her pick, and she chose this one. And she told me, today, soft teacher. And when I wear like colorful makeup, even if it's not bright colors, she says bright, because that's one of the English words she knows. So she told me today, no bright, soft. So for Helen, that's her name. She's my little baby. That's my little, if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen pictures of her so many times because I love her to death. That's my little baby, and she wanted me to do this one. So I'm going to try to make her day and achieve this soft, good Lord, this is very soft, this very soft face chart. Enough talking, let's get started. So for this entire eye look, because it's so soft, by the way, if you're new here and you're watching this, if I look that way, it's because my phone is on a stand and I look at the picture while doing the work. For this entire look, because it's really soft and really, I think there's only like 3 or 4 colors, minus the shade all over the lid. I'm going to just use the Morphe 35F palette. If you don't know what that one looks like, that is this baby. So it's like all these fall-like shades. Everything is a shimmer except this bottom row, which I love because, as you can tell, I usually use these shades all over my lid. Sometimes I use this shade it actually blends in with my skin really well. So if my foundation gets patchy or I scratch my nose and I don't feel like putting foundation back on, I just take this like a powder and bam. Ghetto, yes, but you work with what you got. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is taking, yes, shimmer shade, because it is brighter. I'm going to take maybe this shimmer shade and put that all over my lid, just so it has that bright effect, but because I don't want to do like a matte pale color. I would rather do shimmer, because she likes, in Korean, like shiny shimmery is like a panchak, and she likes that. So she tells me every day that she likes when I have panchak, so I have to incorporate that somehow, because this is a very soft look and there's not a lot of shimmery, shiny glitteriness. So I figure, why not cover my lid in shimmery, shiny glitteriness. So then the next part, sorry if you heard my phone vibrate, I don't know how. I just got this phone and I don't know how to work it, so yeah. Anyway, the next part, I am going to be doing just the crease, which is obviously black. So I'm going to take the black shade that's in here, and I'm going to use this little brush to put it in the crease, and then I'm going to take my unicorn horn and buff it out so it's not super dark, super black, and super harsh.
So I did put concealer on my lid just to make this pop a little more. If you look in the face chart, the little color, there's like two colors. One is like a bronze, and the other is like, it would probably be this shade. So I'm going to take, there's a bronze in here somewhere, I just can't remember. Actually, I think I'll use this one instead of the brownish one, because I was going to go with this, but I think I'm going to put my own little twist on it and go with this one. And then of course I'll be using one of these lighter shades on the end, but I'm going to use this one instead of the super brown bronze. I think I'll use the more red one. And I'm going to be using a Morphe brush. This is the Morphe M156. If you've been here a while, you know how much I love this brush. So now I'm just going in with this brush and like kind of blending them together. I had to clean it off so I didn't get any of the other color. I'm just blending them together with the same brush I used to apply the bronze color. Then I'm going to go off camera and do foundation, concealer, blah, 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 blah. Then I'll come back and finish the eyes, cheeks, and lips. Okay, so the lip in the face chart is very pink. However, pinks that light do not look good on me. So I'm going to line my lips with an Intercolor lip liner. This is in the shade Black Wine. And then I'm going to just fill in everything with this Fenty Beauty gloss. So yes. And this is the finished look. I'm going to add the Fenty Trophy Wife only for the pictures because I like the way this looks without a lip highlight, but for the sake of the face chart, there's like a little bit above the lip. So I'm going to do a little bit of the Trophy Wife, but then I'm going to carefully attempt to wipe that off because I like this. I haven't done something this not complicated in a very long time. This is cute. I hope Helen likes it. I will let you know on Instagram if she liked this look or not. I'm pretty sure she's going to, especially because she likes the shiny, and I made sure that's why I put so much here. I made sure I use a lot of the shiny because that's what she likes, and she's my favorite little munchkin, so you know. Anyway, that's it for this look. If you like to see any other looks, if you have a face chart, if you create face charts and you want me to try them, if you want to do a collab or anything, leave that in the comment section below. Also, if you read my description box, you can always find my Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, all that good stuff, etc, etc. Gonna figure out how this hair is gonna go and get dressed for work. See you guys next time. Don't forget, I will be announcing my giveaway. I'm going to do it tomorrow instead of on my birthday because I feel like on my birthday I'm going to be dead from the previous night. So, I'm going to be filming the video for the giveaway tomorrow. So make sure, you watch out for that. Anyway, that's it. That's all. Bye.